100, it's a 500. So that is a magnet. And as I
It's a
said, it
breakout,
also
and then
corresponds
fall
as you
through.
move up. So I'm
So
assuming
yeah, I
we're
want
going
to
at least
place, but
up there
this
in the
it's a
next
bit
few bars.
scary to almost 50%. So
Can you buy it on a
I
stop
wonder was
above
this
one? As I said,
Yeah,
I usually like to see confirmation.
maybe
So I
let's
usually like to
see
wait to
more
see
confirmation
2
before we
bars, but
decide.
then you get buy. But right now
There's a
it's
price
on a
signal.
buy
There's a
2,
lot of
or you buy
targets
one
here,
tick
so
above
I
2.
probably might need to scalp.
I want to go back here again. So when you look at a chart and you say, gosh, if you're a bull and you
Yeah,
bought
so you can
above
see
1
that
or
the
above 2,
price actually went
and we
all
get
the
a bear
way
bar
one tick
4,
above the measure
it's
move and
okay
down.
to get out
So
below
it's quite
4,
a
especially
good
if
price
the
action.
bear buy. And what else
I
do
would
you
say
notice?
that 5 is
If
bad for the bears because
5
it's
is a
too
big bear
big,
bar closing near its
so the
low,
risk is
it's the
high.
first bear bar.
It's the first bear bar of the day.
I never want to be the
Unlikely
first
to go through.
to
No
enter.
one wants to be the first.
I prefer to see, and I said that means to
Factor
close the
that
bar 6.
it's a measure
And
move,
if
and then it's
this
a big
15-minute
number
bar
5.
closes near its low,
This is a price bar,
this
so likely
could
it's
be
going
a
to be trading
failed
range.
breakout, and this could
So
be
I
a
think I'm
final
going to get
bull
out,
flag.
say,
So it's a bull
around
flag.
here.
The market continued up. At the close,
Yeah,
some
so I
traders
kind
bought
of
more
break
the
even
size of a
here.
scalp below. Some traders bought the close of 6.
Yeah, the market allows me to get out from here. So we'll see.
Buying with a stop above 7 points
So
to
the
make 5
lesson
points.
learned that
Because
usually
you have to be right 90% of the time.
if you do something
Is this
reasonable,
90%
market allows you
certain
to break
that
even
it's going to
if
go up
things
5
don't
points
get
from
your
here?
way.
Do you think there's
So
a
you see a lot
90%
of people
chance we're
get
going to get
long
5
here.
points from here before we
It's a
go
price
down
blue
here?
here, and
No,
usually
there's
you can
not.
go back here to
And
break even
therefore,
here. One
if
tick
you're
above
buying
here.
here above 7,
Okay, interesting observation that when it come back, it tested the 50% of the bar 1, and bar 1 is the mother bar. Okay, that's the if this, then I would say that it tests the range of 33, I think. Yeah, correct. Yeah, it tests the 33 level. So just not because it's breakout, I placed the
it doesn't necessarily last
long
all
here.
day.
But then the price action
I
just
talk
kind
about a
of
couple
funny
hours
that is
because that's what the math
breakout
is.
is what I think.
So what about selling below
So the
11?
way
Isn't
that
this
I
a higher
kind of
high
just
double
exit
top
out and
or a
break
higher
even
high major trend reversal?
top,
And for the bears,
the price hit
what about
my,
scaling in? So let's say you did not
it's
sell at the
about hitting
11 high.
my
Could you start
original
selling 5 or
targets
10 points above?
16, 75, 16.
As I said, if you're an institution and you can trade small and you can scale in, I think either long or flat, and you're not going to sell below 16 despite the wedge, unless it's an exceptionally strong sell signal bar. Think about the
2, 3.
bar.
Well, after the breakout of this.
Okay, you sell below 18? No, wedge top, but just 2 big bear bars closing near their lows. Or wait.
Right, I feel that because we kind of assume that there's going to be trading range, so I think I missed a bit of the trade over here, whereas this is a good breakout to go a bit more here as well. So I think the lesson learned is trade the candle, trade the chart instead of having a predisposed bias. Although that I think it was reasonable for me to get out to break even here. I think that was a reasonable thing to do. It's just that I wasn't too eager to re-enter